Hello everybody, welcome to the Dixie Moto Shop. It is December 6, 2021. Cody and I are out here in the shop today. There's Cody over there. We not doing any riding today. It's like 40 degrees outside, very cold. But finally got the tire fixed on the CR125. So it's ready to roll. And a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, Cody was riding the CR125 and it kept fouling the spark plug, and Cody ended up doing a compression test on it and is low on compression, so we had to order new ring and piston for the CR. So as you can see, it is taken apart right now. We finally got everything in today. The piston ring, it came fast in the mail, and the head gasket came pretty quick. We were waiting on the needle bearing, and it just came today. There's the plastic and everything from the CR. So Cody's going to get started on that here in a little while and get the CR back going again. Because actually, out of all the bikes, the CR is probably my favorite to ride, especially out in the woods. It does a really good job. We finally got the shop cleaned up a little bit from Zach's mess. But I just wanted to give you all an update. I haven't done a video in a while, and hopefully be able to get some more before the snow starts flying. And we also have a tire changer now for the shop, so we can change our own tires. That's a new addition. Alrighty, I'll do another video after we get the CR going and everything, and like I said, hopefully we can get a couple more videos in before it gets too cold. Alright, you all have a good day. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Alright everybody, it is December 8th. Cody's got the CR back going again. Had a few little problems had to address on it, but he got the new piston and ring in it and everything, got it back going, and then the heat cycles on it and everything. And he's bringing it in. He's out riding it now. Seems to be running really good. He's adjusting the carburetor and everything on it. Trying to get everything dialed back in. Alrighty, everyone. Back out here in the shop today, the CR125. Cody and I had it all apart. Well, Cody did. Put new piston rings in it. And I started a video on it the other day, but for some reason had some technical difficulties with the sound, with the audio on the video, which I have some video of it running, but no sound. So I'm going to take and try to finish up this video here on the CR125. Like I said, I do have some video of us riding it, but there's no audio, so you won't be able to hear it, unfortunately. But I'll try to get that finished up, get this video out on the CR125. Like I said, I started the other day and just hadn't finished it. So y'all don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.